I've never seen anything like this in my life. Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a new video here in Malapascua. We are today heading to a very little island called Kalanggaman, which is very famous here in the Philippines, and we're taking a tour, and it takes around about 2 hours to get from here to the island. We are doing a joint tour, so it costs...
It's 3,000 including the fee that you have to pay on the island.
Yeah, and that's for the both of us. So yeah, we're just walking to the dock now to get on a boat. It's going to be around about 5 minutes or so. It looks like it's going to be an absolutely beautiful day, and we will then be heading to Kalanggaman Island. We have just made it to Kalanggaman Island, and this place is absolutely stunning. It's literally one of the most beautiful places I think I've ever seen in my life.
We're hiding under a tree because it's very hot and
yeah, there's literally no breeze.
And I got it wrong earlier, so it was 3,000 pesos.
1,500 pesos each for the actual tour itself,
and then it's 500 each, like
entrance fee for the island, and then we paid 200 pesos each for our snorkel for the whole day.
And you can't snorkel at the end where the sandbar is because the current's too strong, so we've come straight over to the other side because it's a lot quieter than the side that the boats pull up on. So we're going to go and see.
So obviously we have missed the island life, and we absolutely love snorkeling, so we've got our snorkels. I think I look absolutely stunning. The rocks are really slippy on this side of the island, so you need to make sure that you're careful. We've luckily got wet shoes to give us some extra grip. We got ourselves some ice creams. They're 75 pesos each.
Mine was toffee caramel.
Yeah, I got a toffee caramel and I got a vanilla. We've just been in the sea for probably about an hour. And honestly, this place is one of the most amazing places I've been to in my life. We're just going to dry off for... got a bit of ice cream stuck in my throat. We're just going to dry off for half hour. And then lunch is at 12:30. And on a boat they was cooking up this like barbecue feast, and it looked absolutely amazing. And the guys on the boat were saying how much they liked my tattoos. We're talking about Apo Wangod, and yeah, honestly, like this, I think this is, out of my whole time travelling, I'm not sure about you, Ray, but I think this is my favourite place I've ever been. Like, it's just, the water is so clear, it's so calm. I was petrified about getting on a boat. It was absolutely fine. I don't know why I've got this random fear of boats recently, and I just, this is what I've always thought about when I've thought about coming travelling. It's just island paradise, and I'm so happy to be here right now.
How was your lunch?
Beautiful. 10 out of 10.
What did you have? We had pancit, we had rice.
We had pancit, had some barbecued pork, which was incredible.
Very like smoky tasting. I even tried a little bit.
We had a Coke,
watermelon. It's really good.
Chicken, there was fish. But yeah, it was a bit of a free for all at the beginning, but once I got my food, it was beautiful. We've just met lovely few Filipinos here that are on the island, and they've subscribed to our channel, so thank you very much.
Hello.
But we are now just walking along the sandbar. It's gone out all the way and it looked absolutely incredible. So we're going to show you what the sandbar here in Kalanggaman is all about. So you're not actually meant to swim in the sandbar because basically the current's too strong, so you can get like pulled away. So they recommend you not to snorkel here, but you can still sit in the sea and have a nice swim, and you can go all the way out there as well, which looks really nice. But we're gonna head back because you want to jump in the sea and have a quick swim before we have to head back. Yes, she's with her bucket hat. She's wearing it, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't she look alright? She looks alright, didn't she? We've just got this really nice view at the moment. We've got about half hour left before we head back to the boat. If you're going to be coming to Malapascua, or you can come here from another island, I'm not exactly sure what it is. So if you just search up Kalanggaman, then you'll be able to find out how to get here.
Oh, my hat.
No, it's fine. But honestly, we've really enjoyed our time. Have you enjoyed yourself?
Other than the fact that I look like a tomato right now because I'm so burnt.
But everybody's been so nice to us on this island. And
the weather looks like it might take a turn.
Yeah, there's a bit of a cloud over there. So hopefully the ride back is okay. It takes about an hour and a half to get back, so hopefully we'll miss the storm. I hope.
I think it's known to be like quite
boats.
rough.
Yeah. But apparently we could see dolphins on the way back, so
Maybe.
I'm sure it'll be alright. It's only an hour and a half, and then I can get back and throw up if I have to, so it'll be alright. And as I said, if you are coming to Malapascua or Cebu or anywhere, just make sure this is on your list, because this place is incredible.
Yeah, I'd be surprised if if you came to Malapascua and didn't come here. I think it'd be weird.
Yeah.
Obviously people go there for the diving, but this is probably like the main other thing to see.
Yeah.
Here, so, and you can actually stay overnight
on this island, yeah. But it's in a tent, but you can see the sunrise from here and obviously the sunset. We bought this bottle of water earlier, and
you drank it all,
I drank it up, and I've refilled the bottle with the seawater. Look how clear that is. That's incredible. Like, that's actually so good.
Bottled water.
But yeah, we're gonna head back to the boat in a bit, and then head back to Malapascua, get some dinner, clean up first, get some dinner, and get a few drinks. We've got back, we've had a clean up and shower, and it's now around about 6 o'clock. Yeah, we are very burnt. The tour actually lasted like quite a long time, so we left at 9 on the boat, got picked up here at 8:30, walked to the boat, and then we literally got back at like 5 o'clock or just before.
It takes about an hour and a half on the boat to get there, and I think we had about 4 hours or something like that on the actual.
So you're literally getting a full day, obviously lunch is included. But the sea was so calm today, it was literally like everything just went perfect basically. But it's about 6 o'clock, we're very hungry, even though we had a big lunch. Obviously it's a big long day in the heat.
12:30.
Yeah, so we are going to go down and grab some food. We're staying at Hippocampus, so we're going to be getting food at the Hippocampus restaurant, and it's happy hour from 4 till 7, so we're going to get a couple cocktails as well. From the beginning right until the very end, this was truly one of our most perfect days here in the Philippines. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and like and comment if you've ever been to Kalanggaman Island. We hope you liked the video, and please keep your eye out for the next one.